Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Indiana DOR for sales and withholding taxes, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Indiana Department of Revenue website. Locate the section for online services. Click on the link that mentions tax authentication or login. If you are a new user, select the option to create an account. Fill in all required personal information. Provide a valid email address and a secure password. Review the terms and conditions, then accept them. Click the Submit button to create your account. Check your email for a verification link from the Indiana DOR. Open the email and click on the verification link. Return to the Indiana DOR website and log in with your new credentials. If you are an existing user, select the Login option. Enter your username and password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once logged in, navigate to the Tax Authentication section. Choose the type of tax you need to authenticate. For sales tax, provide your taxpayer identification number. For withholding tax, input your employer identification number. Submit the information to verify your account. After successful authentication, you will see your tax account dashboard. From here, you can manage your sales and withholding tax information. Ensure to keep your login details secure for future access. Regularly check for any alerts or updates from the Indiana DOR. This process will help you effectively manage your tax responsibilities in Indiana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.